What's up, people? Welcome back to International. I came to Australia to study in Melbourne 3.5 years back. And I only wanted to study in Melbourne or Sydney because they are the greater cities, bigger cities of Australia. And at that time, if somebody told me to consider a university in regional area apart from Melbourne, Brisbane and Sydney, I would have not considered that. But if somebody tells me today that I can go back in time 3.5 years back and start my study anywhere apart from Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane, which would be a regional area, then I probably will consider that. And there are 3 specific reasons for that. And in this video, we are discussing why international students should choose or should consider choosing a university in regional area. So if you are somebody who's planning to come to Australia and not sure where exactly you should study, then this video is just for you. So check it out. Now this video may not be applicable to all of you guys, and that is because if somebody who wants to come to Australia to study, work for 1 year or 2 years and then go back to your country, then probably you should choose Melbourne or Sydney because you want to maximize your exposure in Australia. But if you're somebody like me who want to come to Australia, see how things work here, and then you may want to keep your option to get your permanent residency open, then all the points of this video are going to be super applicable to you. But before we get into 3 reasons why you should consider regional university, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button. We're just 8,000 subscribers away from reaching 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. Getting back to the video. The first reason why you should consider a regional university in Australia is because when you study in a regional university, you get 5 extra points when you want to apply for your permanent residency. Now, sitting at home, probably you'll think that those 5 points may not matter that much. But ask people who are already studying in Australia. In Australia, if you want to apply for a permanent residency, you have to follow a point-based system. So you get certain points for your age, you get certain points for studying in Australia. If you have done bachelor's from your home country, you get certain points for that. And at that time, you will get 5 extra points because you have studied in a regional university. Also, the second reason why you should study in a regional university is that you will get 1 or 2 extra years of post-study work visa. What happens is that when you study in Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane, what I have done, I got 2 years of post-study work visa. That is temporary graduate visa. So I studied for 2 years, I got visa for 2 years to work full-time in Australia. But somebody who studies in a regional area, they get 3 or 4 years of post-study work visa. And that extra 1 or 2 years is going to be a lot because you need that time to apply for your permanent residency, and that is very important. Before we get into the third and most important point of studying in a regional university, I want you guys to hit that like button and share this video with your friends so that they can make a right decision as well. We have started helping our audience with their admission and visa. So if you're somebody who want the most transparent advice from the people who have studied here and you need help with your admission or visas, then we have given a link in the description below. It is a link of a form. You can give a little bit information about yourself and then you'll be able to book an appointment and we'll be able to have a chat of what will be the best option for you when it comes to studying in Australia. Getting back to the third and most important point. So when you study in Melbourne, Sydney or Brisbane, the primary option that you have to apply for your permanent residency, that would be 189, visa 189 that leads to permanent residency. But if you study in a regional university or a university in a regional area, then not just you can apply to 189, but you can also apply to 491, which is provisional permanent residency, or 190. And 491 and 190 you can only apply if you have lived or worked in a regional area. So personally, what happened to me was that I got to know that because I've studied marketing, I did my Masters of Business from Monash University in Melbourne, I would not be able to apply for my permanent residency from Melbourne. And that's why when I was on my post-study work visa, the visa that you get after studying for 2 years in Australia, I moved to Adelaide, because Adelaide, Perth, Gold Coast, Canberra, all of these are big cities but still considered regional areas. So I moved to Adelaide, and because I have been working here, I'll be able to apply for my 491, which is provisional permanent residency. And all these options, all these things I did not know before I came to Australia, or even while I started my studies in Australia. And that's why we want to provide the most transparent information possible. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you haven't shared this video yet, share this video with all your friends and hit that like button. Hope you love this video, guys. See you in the next video.